Welcome to my channel RR into your kitchen.
Please subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. In this video I'll show you how to prepare the most delicious and spicy dish, special mushroom 65. Ingredients you need to prepare this recipe: mushrooms 200 grams, salt 2 teaspoons, chilli powder 2 teaspoons, garam masala powder 1 teaspoon, pepper powder 1 teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, corn flour 3 tablespoons, all purpose flour 2 tablespoons, tomato sauce 1 tablespoon, hot sauce 1 teaspoon, 1 spring onion, 4 chopped garlic cloves, spring onions green stalk for garnishing, 3 green chillies, chopped coriander. Oil to deep fry. Wash and cut mushrooms to halves. Take mushrooms to a mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons corn flour, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour or Maida. Now mix well all these ingredients together. Now add little water and mix well. Now mushrooms are ready to fry. Heat oil in a pan or kadai to deep fry. Once oil is heated, add mushrooms to the oil. Fry until mushrooms turn crisp and golden brown. Stir occasionally to fry on both the sides. Once mushrooms turn crisp and golden brown, drain oil and take into a separate bowl or a plate. Now heat the pan to prepare sauce. Add 1 teaspoon oil. Add chopped garlic and saute on a medium flame for few seconds. Now add chopped spring onion and saute for few seconds. Add green chillies and saute few seconds. Now add 1 tablespoon tomato sauce and 1 teaspoon hot sauce. Mix once and add little water and stir well. Now add half teaspoon salt or add according to your taste. Add 1 teaspoon chilli powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder. Mix well. If you want less spice, add only half teaspoon chilli powder and half teaspoon pepper powder. Now add fried mushrooms and toss well on a medium-high flame for 2 to 3 minutes or until all sauces coats to the mushroom and becomes dry. Once mushrooms turns dry, finally add chopped spring onions and chopped coriander. Mix well and turn off the stove. Now transfer to a serving plate. Special mushroom 65 is ready. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, click bell icon, subscribe my channel RR into your kitchen for more interesting recipes.